Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to verify your YouTube channel so that anyone, your followers, your subscribers, your friends, your family can be able to type in your username in YouTube or your full name in YouTube, and only your content will appear for them to watch. Now before we get into the main tutorial, I'm going to show you 4 benefits that you will get from YouTube once your username is verified. Now, number 1 benefit you're going to get once you verify your YouTube channel is longer videos. Once you verify your YouTube channel, you can be able to make up to 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour video on YouTube. But once your account is not verified, you have a limited time video to upload in YouTube. The second benefit that you're going to get once you verify your YouTube channel, you can be able to use any kind of thumbnail on your video. Once you finish making your video and upload on YouTube, you can use any kind of picture, any kind of thumbnail for your video display. The first image that people are going to see before they click your video on YouTube. You can be able to change it to anything that you want. Now, the third benefit you will get once you verify your YouTube channel is live streaming. You can stream live videos on YouTube and your subscribers can be able to communicate with you live on YouTube. Now, the fourth benefit you will get once you verify your YouTube channel, you can be able to add your social media platform on YouTube so that your subscribers on YouTube can be able to access your Facebook, your Instagram account, your Twitter through YouTube. There are so many other benefits that you can get once you verify your YouTube channel. So without wasting your time, let's jump right into the main tutorial. Let me show you how you can verify your YouTube channel. Now you have to first of all go to your YouTube channel. You must have created your YouTube channel already. In case if you don't know how to create your YouTube channel, and if you would like me to teach how to create a YouTube channel, please still drop your comments or ask any question and I will come up with the video. So we'll go to YouTube. Once your YouTube loads, once your YouTube channel comes up, go to the right top hand corner, click the picture you use in creating your Gmail account. Now go to YouTube Studio. Once YouTube Studio comes up, go to Creator Studio Classic. I'm using a YouTube channel that is not yet verified. This is my main YouTube channel. Let me show you my main YouTube channel. My main YouTube channel is verified already. If we go to YouTube Studio, go to Creator Studio Classic, go to Channel. If you go to Channel and watch the Status and Features section, you will see that Partner is verified. So this YouTube is already a verified YouTube account. But let's use the one that is not verified, which is this one. So let's skip, View Channel. Now go to Channels. You can see this account is not verified yet. Now click on Verify. Select your country. All countries are here. I have to select Nigeria. How should we deliver the verification code to you? Call me with automated voice message or text me the verification code. So you have to decide which way you want to receive the code that you will use to verify your YouTube channel. So for me, I'll use text. So once you click text and put the number, or click call and put the number, once you submit it, after putting your number in YouTube, once you submit it, YouTube will take sometimes few hours or sometimes 24 hours to verify your YouTube username. If your username is not good or if somebody is already using your username, YouTube will also inform you so that you make changes in your username for them to verify it. So this is exactly how to verify your YouTube channel. So once you're done with this and YouTube sends you a notification through your email, your account will automatically be verified, and whenever you go or anybody goes to YouTube and type your name, let me use my name for an example, and type Asua. The good thing about the verification, once you type the first name, if your name is unique, as you can see, my full name has already popped up. So once you click it, automatically YouTube will bring out only my content for you to watch. So this is exactly how you can verify your YouTube channel. In case if you would like me to come up with any kind of video, or you would like me to teach anything on this YouTube channel, please do not hesitate to drop your comments. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to hit the subscription button and also the bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative.